Let me take you on a trip to the city of Toronto's 6th Street. A street once filled with citrus trees is now home to the American dream. A street where businesses surround both sides. A street where big businesses intersect with small businesses. A street where small businesses hope to survive. A street where once small businesses used to thrive but slowly have disappeared. A street where every type of business is welcome. A street where big businesses have migrated by the numbers. A street that is lively at all times of the night. A street where once a small business called home before turning into a multi-million-dollar franchise. A street where many others hope to someday do the same. A street where civic order is held. A street where civilians can eat and party. A street where civilians can come to learn. A street where civic order is enforced. A street where old businesses' downfalls have turned into new blessings. A street where those blessings can be tested by temptation. A street where those temptations can destroy your entire dream.
A street where once the American dream dies, you end up here, the land